Designing a bedroom wardrobe involves blending functionality with aesthetic to create an organized and stylish storage solution. Start by assessing your space and identifying your storage needs. Consider the dimensions of the room and how the wardrobe would fit in. If you have a limited space, opt for a built-in wardrobe that utilizes the full height of the room, maximizing vertical storage while keeping the floor area open. Sliding doors can save space by eliminating the need for clearance, allowing easy access to your clothing and accessories. For a more customized approach, modular wardrobes are a great option. These allow you to configure shelves, drawers, and hanging rods according to your specific requirements. Incorporate a mix of hanging space for dresses and suits, along with shelves for folded items and drawers for smaller accessories. Dividers or drawer organizers can keep everything tidy, making it easy to find what you need. If you have a lot of shoes, consider integrating a shoe rack or cubbies that keep them organized and visible. In terms of style, choose materials and finishes that complement your bedroom decor. Wood finishes can add warmth and texture, while sleek, high-gloss surfaces can create a modern look. Neutral colors like whites, grays, or light wood can help maintain a serene environment, while bold colors or patterns can serve as a statement piece if you prefer your wardrobe contents. But be mindful of dust accumulation. Lighting is crucial in wardrobe design. Incorporate LED strip lights along shelves or inside drawers to illuminate your clothing and accessories, making it easier to find items, especially in low light. A small spotlight or a pendant light can enhance the wardrobe's overall look while adding functionality. For an extra touch, consider a full-length mirror integrated into the wardrobe doors or as a separate piece nearby. This not only serves a practical purpose but also creates the illusion of more space. To personalize your wardrobe, think about adding decorative elements that reflect your style. Incorporate fabric bins or baskets to store smaller items, creating a cohesive look while providing easy access. Hang hooks on the inside of doors for accessories, bags, or scarves to keep them organized and out of the way. A small jewelry drawer or tray can provide a dedicated space for valuable items, ensuring they remain safe and easy to find. If you have enough room, a walk-in wardrobe can elevate your bathroom's functionality significantly. This space can be designed as a dressing room with ample shelving, seating, and mirrors. Incorporating a small ottoman can add comfort and convenience for putting on shoes or planning outfits. For walk-in wardrobes, consider creating zones for different types of clothing and accessories, which can help streamline your daily routine. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of ventilation within your wardrobe. Ensuring proper airflow will keep your clothes fresh and free from mustiness. This can be achieved through strategically placed vents or leaving some space between the wardrobe and the wall. In summary, a well-designed bedroom wardrobe combines practicality with personal style, enhancing your space while providing efficient storage. By considering layout, materials, lighting, and personalized touches, you can create a wardrobe that not only meets your needs but also adds the overall aesthetic of your room, transforming it into a beautifully organized heaven.